This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Hello crypto traders, how do you like these purchases? Look at this deck screener. Now those who create meme coins on Solana use a new so-called golden method earn huge money. Today I will show you this new method of launching meme coins on Solana. Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make your own meme coin on Solana blockchain using a new method with which your token will be bought and trade even without marketing. These will be organic purchases and organic trading. You just need to create a meme coin. Of course, only for educational purposes. This is not a call to action and not financial advice. Always be careful and don't fall for a scam. This is a new method that has appeared recently. I don't know how long it will work, but it works now and will work in the near future. Now I'll show you how people create meme coins using a new, so to speak, brilliant launch method and earn thousands of dollars per day. To create a token with a new function, we will need this site. I will leave a link to this site in the description of this video. Okay, I click create token. Look how many tokens on PumpFun now. Traders don't need that. Look at this amount of coins, huge competition, tokens on PumpFun don't work anymore. We will not use PumpFun, we will create a token directly and it will immediately appear on the deck screener. By launching a token on this site, the token will automatically be added to the deck screener. Well, first I open the deck screener, choose any token that is popular now. So I need to choose a good token, which I will copy, which is popular now. This will give us more buyers. Well, I found a token, just a random popular token. Not bad if this token was launched on the same day. Okay, I copied the name, symbol, and picture. Now I will issue 1 billion tokens, but you can issue as many as you want. Now I specify any description. It can be funny or detailed. And now the most important thing, a new function, we will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify the whale wallet. Yes, this is the same new feature I talked about at the beginning of the video. Now we can replace the information about the token creator. Add the whale address that has a lot of Solana on his wallet. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata, but you will be the real owner. Okay, now I'll tell you how we'll use it. Look at the number of tokens that are launched every minute. You can follow this information in this service. In fact, there are a lot of such services. They are monitored by a total of hundreds of thousands of traders, buyers. A lot of buyers and a sniper bot monitors this. This is what I'm talking about, information about the token creator. We need to find the creator who has a lot of Solana coin in his wallet. So we will launch a token with very low liquidity, for example, with 1 Solana. This will be displayed everywhere on all services. Buyers will see it. And at the same time, the creator's wallet will be displayed on which there is a lot of Solana. Buyers will see that the creator's wallet has a lot of Solana coin. When buyers see tokens created on this principle, they think that the creator deliberately added little liquidity so that the people or influencers he needs could buy the token at a very low price, and then he adds all his Solana from his wallet to liquidity, and the token boom to the moon. And when people think so, they are right, some creators do so. That is why buyers and sniper bots are looking for such tokens. And today we will pretend that our token is exactly like that. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price within 30 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today, I will create a token that will seem the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copy the wallet address and paste it here. Well, I choose all of this because it increases the trust in the token. Now, I insert my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now, I click Launch Token, and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. This is the price for creating a token. Okay, I made a payment. Now I click check transaction. And boom, I see the created token and its address. Now I click on the address and jump to SolScan. I copy the address of my token. Well, in order for the token to appear everywhere, including deck screener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap. This is a new function of PumpFun, or on Radium. I will use Radium because it is more popular. I click create, select standard, and a page opens with the creation of a liquidity pool. In the first paragraph, we insert the address of our token. The symbol and name are the same as when creating the token. Next, add the user token and select your token. I will add 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool, but it does not matter. Next, I put 4 Solana, but you can put less, for example, 1 Solana. You can withdraw the liquidity pool and get the Solana back at any time. This is exactly what we will do, withdraw liquidity back, because there is more Solana in the liquidity pool when someone buys your token. Okay, so now I select the 2% fee and that's it. Just click initialize liquidity button. The transaction opened in my wallet. Now I click confirm button and the liquidity pool is created. My meme coin live now. Nothing important here. Just click got it. Now we copy the token address again. Go to the deck screener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address to our Okay, great. We see our token on the deck screener. We already see instant purchases by sniper bots, but this is too little for us. This is not enough. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. And note that the deck screener displays liquidity twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Okay, I'll speed up the video and look at the purchases. Okay, I opened my portfolio on Radium to see how much money is in my liquidity pool now. Well, if I remove the liquidity now, I will get about 15 Solana. That's okay. Good profit. Look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, now I look at my position in the portfolio and I see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, you need to click Remove Liquidity, select 100%, and click Remove Liquidity. Solana will be in your wallet. Let me remind you that I did not do any marketing or promotion for the token. I only used the new function, and look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, I will take my profit now. Okay, call the transaction, and I see Solana and my tokens will back to my wallet, so I sign the transaction. And okay, liquidity is removed, and I got my profit. So, easy Solana, so golden method. Okay, we can see removed on the deck screener. Many meme coins on Solana gives great profits to traders and sniper bots when token owners do not make rug pull and do marketing for coins. Therefore, buyers continue to buy all the tokens, I mean meme coins, and do not worry that some of them will be rugged. So this method will work long time, I think. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.